to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Y'all check it out. We finna go pick up Raw first project car.
Yeah.
We got Raw and Lil Raw. We ain't gonna tell y'all what it is till we get it back. Y'all stay tuned. As y'all can see, we just pulled back up with the Impala, the 1977 Chevy Impala. But y'all didn't know, this actually Raw car.
Oh yeah. Raw guy helmet Impala, y'all. First time.
Talk to the people about your car here.
Hey man, how y'all
do
doing out there, YouTube Sprayway world? I want y'all to do me a favor while I'm talking. Hey look, this is gonna be my first Impala build. I want y'all to go to Raw Customs with a Z, 5959. Subscribe to my channel. Comment, like, give me some great comments, man, on how to help me out, because I'm doing a budget build here. But let me tell you what this is. This is a 1977 Chevy Impala.
Photo.
You know, I'm working with the box Chevy King right here, so you know, y'all already know the paint job gonna be dope. Y'all already know that.
Y'all see it came from North Dakota. Last time it was tagged 2016, from what the tags say. But what I see, it's a clean car. I don't see no rust. We had did a video over there on Raw channel. Y'all go check it out. Walked around it. Gonna do the same thing over here, but you can see ain't no rust. So that's a plus there. How many years this is? Cause you say it's like a...
This is 49 years old.
49-year-old. Well, this ain't 49, is it?
Yeah, I'm 48.
It's gonna be 40, okay.
Yeah, it's 49. 49.
All right. 49. The surface rust there, but it ain't ate through. But other
Man, this
than
car
that,
in good condition.
I know. Oh,
Man, make sure you show
they
them
ain't
the
see the interior.
inside.
We're gonna show them the interior here. Look at these seats here. 49 years. Don't it look like they've been set in? You can find a 2020 seats look worse than this here. For real. 2020, 2023. And this was...
They got kids. These
I know.
They had no kids.
Yeah, they couldn't have.
They came from an old couple.
Look at the... It got 49,000 on the dash. I don't know, I'm pretty sure those the original I'm finna say miles by the interior. But like I said on Raw channel, the back look like the sun damaged the back seat and the headliner, but everything else intact. They rigged up something up here on the headliner. Y'all can see they went to Home Depot, got some sticks. But other than that, overall look good. What y'all think about it? Besides this side over here. Let me take y'all over here on this side, and the hood got a bulk in it. Need another fender, driver's side fender. If y'all know where he can find one, get down in the comment section and let me know. We'll let him know. We got another door, it's in the trunk. Let me open the trunk. I got this screwdriver already. I had that when I was trying to open the trunk to the other car. We had to take the lock out when we picked it up because for some reason it wouldn't lock back, it wouldn't shut back. But we got another door, you can see right there. Yeah, this is a big trunk here. I got a whole door in there and a spare tire.
Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this when I do my car audio.
Yeah, you just gotta be careful not to keep on shutting it down now. Cause you're gonna be doing some body work up there on that deck lid. Yeah, keep it up.
I'm gonna move this now.
Oh, you finna do some body work on the door now? Okay, I guess you want more practice, huh?
No. You got it.
Y'all wait 1 second. till we get this tire. All right, you got the spray out. Looks like a pretty good spray. You got the.
Oh yeah, man, it's good, nice spray. Look at that tread.
Oh yeah.
It might be dry out of the summer. I wouldn't know that, but anyway.
It'll get you around the block though.
There you go, sure do. I'm gonna roll out though.
I wouldn't trust that highway.
Oh no.
But y'all can see you got a new door, not a new door, but a replacement door in the trunk here. Little surface rust at the bottom and dirt, mainly just dirt, but that can be cleaned up. I guess we'll go ahead and get this door out, see what the other side look like. I got some antifreeze up in here too. Fuel pump, that's what we got to change on it. The gas tank. Look like got some spark plug and wire. But we're gonna get the car off the trailer, then we'll cut y'all back on because he got it rigged up. We drove it up on the trailer, but the gas tank needs replacing. He got it rigged up under the hood, so we'll show y'all all that once we get it off the trailer. All right, this is what Raw got up under the hood. Y'all get in the comment section, let us know if this factory or what. So you got AC compressor. We don't know if the AC working out. Probably need charging. But this how we got it rigged up. Well, we don't got it rigged up. Where we picked it up at, had it rigged up like this, but it crank and run. Y'all see you got the fuel pump. And it got a line coming from the jug here. So we was thinking it gotta be either the tank got rust and it's picking up trash, or the lines, cause it runs like this here. But we're gonna get it off the trailer, bag it up like this, show y'all how it run. So y'all wait 1 second, we'll get everything together. All right, we got it off the trailer. Y'all see it's running like a sewing machine.
Yeah.
The blower, is the blower working on it?
Shit. Nah, we ain't gonna worry about that right now.
Yeah, it might just be the blower. But y'all see, it's on. Lift the hood up, we're gonna show them. I might gotta help you. Yeah. There you go. That can get you around town though, rigged up like that.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to keep doing.
You have a gallon of gas.
It sounds good.
Yeah, I know, just change a few things, you've been in business there, for real.
Okay. Yeah.
But y'all think you got a win or a loss on this here?
And I remember, any budget bill ideas for me, please let me know. I will be reading SprayWay comment section.
Y'all let him know. I think his first task is gonna change the gas tank and the fuel lines.
Yeah, that's the first.
So he can get rid of this here. That gas tank there. You ain't gonna get nowhere with that.
On the side of the road.
He got a windshield crack, but you know he can get that anywhere. You gonna go back with that color scheme? Two-tone, top and bottom?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about that.
So you don't know about that one?
I might roll solid.
Oh, okay.
I might just make it all solid.
Oh, I told him I was gonna get this door out, but we might gotta do that on a next video. Cause he probably can't get that out by itself without damaging it even more. So
I can get it, man. You know, rock, I'm strong. What's going on over here?
So you got a strong. I don't know now. I might can help you with one on.
You know you the one hand bandit.
Yeah, see they've been doing some front suspension too. Oh,
This the wheel heavy.
Yeah, I told you it's heavy. Some hung up there though. Something pulling it. Seems like something pulling it.
Yeah, we might have to just do this on another video.
Y'all stay tuned. All right, we got the door out for you. I was gonna put on another video, but we got it out. I think it came off a Caprice because it got the bottom trim on the rockers. Y'all know Impalas just be having the trim. This trim here. But it'll work. All the same thing. Then he got some extra, yeah. You can look at the door panel as far as how that Impala look. The Impala door panels. And these here. Yeah. Then they got the bumper jack still in here. What y'all know about that? What you got here? I think these. The seals, yeah. But the only thing that's going this in here, probably going to 2-door. These seals here look. Yeah, these here probably going to 2-door or something. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Nah, that's some aftermarket stuff here. Somebody done made. All right, we're gonna cut y'all back on when Ross start working on it. Stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.